Today we're going to be trimming our Christmas tree, and this is one of the traditions we have in our family. We make this Pillsbury, it's kind of like a almond cream cheese Crescent Danish thing. I make it every year, but it's super easy, so I'm going to show you guys how to do this. You will need 2 cans of the Crescent rolls, a little bit of almond extract, 2 8-ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and about 1/2 can of the cherry pie filling. So just open the can of Crescent rolls, and using a sharp knife, go ahead and cut them, and try not to mash it down because you want to keep the shape. We're going to cut this into 8 pieces. On the bottom, I kind of shape it into an oval shape. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to kind of make an impression in the middle of these. Something like that. I'm going to add 1/8 of a teaspoon, just a real small amount, of the almond extract. And go ahead and get this beat together. Take your cream cheese mixture and place it in the middle. Now you just want to make like a little indentation into each of the cream cheese balls. And then take a cherry with some of the pie filling and just fill each of the cream cheese holes. We're going to put this in a preheated 375-degree oven for 16 to 19 minutes or until golden browned and baked through. All right, that's what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. And then I just make the icing in the same bowl that I mixed the cream cheese in. I have 1/4 of a cup of an additional powdered sugar, and I'm just going to add about a teaspoon and a half, we'll see how it goes, of milk. Get this stirred together. Might need to add a little more. I always start out conservatively. Yep, going to have to add a little more. You can always add, but you can't take away. That looks good. You want it just the consistency so you can kind of drizzle. Drizzling consistency. I'm going to let this finish cooling, and then tonight we're going to be trimming our Christmas tree. So this is one of the things I'm going to be serving. It's kind of like a tradition in our family. So the boys are going to be happy. So I'm going to let this thoroughly cool. Well, there you go, guys. That's how you make the Crescent Christmas tree. And if you give it a try, it might just become a family tradition for your family as well. All right, until the next video, I'll talk to you guys later.